How to delete Cash App account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. So first and foremost, open up the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon or the person-shaped icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the option of Support from all of these options given to you. In the Support menu, it will display all of these options. You have to go ahead and select the option of something else, which will be at the very bottom of the option list. Once you tap on it, you have to select the option of Close your Cash App account. Once you do this, you will be displayed with a prompt on your screen. Carefully read out this prompt given to you. As it says, before you are closing off your account, you will have to make sure that you have disabled your cash tag to prevent payment from being received and sign out from all of the session. You will also have to make sure that you have zero budget remaining on your Cash App. Furthermore, for legal reasons, Cash App will save some of the transaction records and account information. Once you are ready to close off permanently, tap on Confirm. And by the tap on it, your Cash App account will be closed. And that is how you can easily delete your Cash App account. That's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.